Good evening, students. So today we'll discuss intercept form of a straight line. So how this equation came? So for that we'll discuss. Before discussing this, we have to know what is the x-axis intercept and what is the y-axis intercept. So first we have to know what is the means of intercept. So here, suppose this is our coordinate axis. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis and this is the origin, and a straight line is cutting both the axes. A straight line is cutting a straight line is cutting both the axes at the point A and B respectively. So here origin, so this distance is A, so this coordinate will be how much? A0, and this distance is B, so this coordinate will be 0B. So now we have to know what is the intercept. So intercept means a line, so this is the line, a line which cuts the coordinate axes, where it is cutting here and here. So where the line cutting the coordinate axis is, this point, the distance from origin of this point will be intercept. So what we got? Where the straight line cuts the coordinate axes. For example, suppose what is the means of x-intercept? So x-intercept means where the line cut the x-axis. Here it is cutting. So what is the distance of this cutting point from the origin? That will be the x-intercept. Similarly, what is this distance from the origin? B. So y-intercept is B. So what is the means of intercept? Intercept means a line which cuts the coordinate axes. Suppose it is cutting at A and B, so here A and B are intercepts. So what is the means of intercept? A line which cuts the x-axis or y-axis at some point, and the distance of that point from the origin will be the intercept. Okay, so this is the intercept means. So here A is the x-axis intercept. Why it is x-axis intercept? Because the line is cutting x-axis at the point A, and the distance of this cutting point from the origin is A. Similarly, the distance of y-axis from the origin, cutting point distance from the origin is B. So y-intercept is B. Now we know that a formula. So we have two coordinates. One coordinate is A0, second coordinate is 0B. So the point formula we have, if we have 2 points, suppose if we have 2 point x1 y1 and x2 y2. So what is the equation of 2 point joining the 2 point? So equation will be y minus y1 m x minus x1, where m is the slope. So what is the means of slope? Y coordinate difference divided by x coordinate difference and x minus x1. So by this we have to use this formula for these 2 points. So here y minus y1 is how much? x1 y1 x2 y2. So here y1 is 0, so y minus 0 is y coordinate difference. So here y2 minus y1, b minus 0 divided by x2 minus 0 minus a equal into x minus x1. x1 is a. So now we got here y equal to b by minus a x minus a. Now we'll cross multiplication. So minus ay equal to bx minus ab. So we'll bring this side and this side, so it will become ay plus bx equal to ab. Okay, so ay plus bx equal to ab. Ay, so we have to write here ay plus bx equal to ab. So what is our intercept formula? Intercept formula is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So right side is 1. So how to bring 1? Divided by ab both side. Divided by ab both side. So ay by ab plus bx by ab equal to 1. So that means b be gone. So here x by a plus y by b equal to 1, and that is the intercept format of the straight line. Intercept formula for straight ax plus by plus c equal to 0 straight line. For straight line you can say that straight line. So we proved that. So thank you, please subscribe my channel.